reached out your hand, restored my life, and I was redeemed the moment you entered my life. Amazing grace, Christ gave that day, my life was changed. Went from my shoulders, fell the weight of my sin. So it's with everything I am, I reach out for your hand, the hope for change, the second chance I've gained. On you I throw my life, casting all my fears aside. How could greater love than this ever possibly exist? Consume my thoughts as I rest in you. I'm now in love with a